Tesla fan, let's get straight to it. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Tesla's Navigate on Autopilot feature to make your drive smoother and more convenient, guys. So to enable Autopilot, you can start by ensuring that your Autopilot is enabled, okay? So how do you do this? You just tap on the controls icon and then go to Autopilot and just make sure it's turned on. Just toggle it on, okay? And then what you want to do, guys, is set your destination, okay? Use the navigation system to enter your destination. Just tap on the navigation icon, just type in where you want to go, and just hit start navigation, guys, okay? Once you have set your route, you can navigate on Autopilot with automatically suggesting, merging into highways, changing lanes, and exiting as needed. So you can check all this in the autopilot settings. You need to monitor the system, guys. As you drive, I want you to keep an eye on the road and the screen. You want to navigate on autopilot, and it will display directions and alerts for lane changes. You'll need to confirm these things, okay? You can't just let it do its own thing. It won't do that. You need to choose. You need to confirm these actions by tapping on the turn signal to execute a lane change, guys. So if you want to customize how to navigate on autopilot behaves, you can just go back to the autopilot settings. You can adjust options like lane change confirmation and navigate on autopilot preferences, guys. So also, I need to tell you something important. You will need to take over the wheel when needed, guys. Remember, you can always take over the controls by simply turning the steering wheel or pressing the brake pedal if you feel that it is necessary, okay? And that's it. So go ahead, hit that link in the description to upgrade your ride even further. See you in the next